Ahishomero rya Bunyoro Secondary School mukuru waryo Semate Robert yagamba ngo abojo babera Abeegi 13 bayihandikise tibizire kukora bigezo byabe bya economics hamwe na chemistry kandi babiri bashemerire kubikora.
Abana 13 for A level and abana 19 bayizire kugira abana babiri bungane batasoboye kwiga.
Semate yagamba ngo batirehe bikwato byone byo kurinda indwara ya Ebola nango hariho n'emotoka erinziro kwirisi ogwe wena ori kubasa koreka obubonero obu.
We are trying to keep distance amongst the learners. We have put hand washing facilities, at the dormitories. We have also put one at the entrance of the examination hall, and we have put sanitizer.
Ahishomero rya Kagadi Senior Secondary School tofiru byarhangora umukuru wariyo yatugambira ngo abeje bana bakabaraho okutandikana izoba rya briefing.
Papers which started are for economics and chemistry practical, paper 3, whereby for economics we have 38 candidates and for chemistry paper 3 27 candidates search for that.
Babeja bakozire bigezo byabo ahari Kagadi Senior Secondary School hamwe na Bunyoro Senior Secondary School bayireko kwetombwita ahabwe by'enshome bye bibatiremo ebabire batari kutekateka.
Has been good. However, we have witnessed some incidences whereby we had got information that some topics were abridged, but we found them, especially in section A.
Economics paper, there was abridged curriculum. They had told us of abridged curriculum that they want to be said, but unfortunately it was said.
Actually, I've been reading, and all for like the paper I did today, I expected good things there, good points, due to the fact that almost the things I've been reading happen in the paper.
Abeja barkurengo mu rukume no bayahandikise kore bigezo bya senior ya Mukaga omusenta 20 eza district ya Kagadi. Gashakwa Ambrose ni wagaba katoto.